Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix resolution not changing or stuck at 1280 by 720 in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on PC. If your game doesn't save resolution changes, just follow these steps. Let's get started. Close the game first. Make sure to completely close the game. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find the 7 Deadly Sins Origin. Right-click the game, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder. Now follow this path. Open the 7 Deadly Sins folder. Open the Binaries folder. Open the Win64 folder here. Locate the games.exe file. Right-click the .exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. At the bottom, click on Change High DPI Settings. Now, check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Under Scaling Performed By, select Application. Click OK, then click Apply. This is very important. Click OK again. Now relaunch the game. You should now be able to change the resolution without it resetting. This method has worked for many players, so it should work for you as well. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.